What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different lower body exercises you can do with resistance bands. This one is a little more resistance, this is a little less. Also check the description for any other details that I do forget to mention. I'll list them all below. So we're starting with 10 side squats to the side. You're staying low the entire time. After you hit 10, you're adding 1 jump squat. Staying low, keeping all that tension in your lower body. Power jump squat. Right. Next up, we have 2 step out squats with the jump squat. Again, keeping all that tension in your legs, really hinging back with your hips and exploding up. Depending on the band you have, some are a little more tense to do this movement with. So if you're able to do it, if not and you have the other resistance band, you can go ahead and put that one on. So number 3, we have a squat into a forward lunge. Squat, forward lunge. Notice how my knee is over my ankle. You don't want to be, knee does not want to be over toe, knee wants to be over ankle. If you have a hard time completing that, really focus on hinging your hips back, and it will automatically bring your knee back. Woo! With this band, I promise you'll feel it. I'm already out of breath. Okay, next up, number 4, we have a static jump lunge, and then we're gonna switch legs. Static for 2 reps and switch. 1, 2. Notice again, like I just said, knees over my ankle. We are not leaning forward, we're leaning back. Your knee will not like that, I promise. Hinge back with your hips, and it'll take all the pressure off your knee. Bounce twice, switch. If you need a modification, just step back. Does not matter what level you are. Fitness is for all levels, and everyone starts somewhere. I started somewhere, I promise. Woo! All right, guys, last up, we have a fire hydrant with a reverse lunge. We're adding some balance and core into this. So, standing on one leg, coming out, keeping it nice and controlled, and back into your lunge. Really pushing out with your glute, slight bend in that knee, hinging the hip. We're hitting balance, core, and legs. Whew, almost lost my balance there. And when you finish that side, just like everything else, you're gonna switch sides. Always treat both sides of your body equally. Do 30 reps on the left, you're gonna wanna do 30 reps on the right. But that's pretty much it, guys. Those are the 5 exercises that you can do for your lower body. If you don't have a band, that's okay. You don't need the band, but if you do, that'll just make it that much more intense. So beginners, start without the band. If you're a little more advanced or you want a challenge, add the band. Challenge yourself. You'd be surprised what you can do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what type of workouts you want to see next. Thanks, guys.